Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the problems in the exercise 4.3. The remaining problems are: first problem, find the separate equations of the lines represented by the equation x minus 2 bracket square minus 3x minus 2 into y plus 1 plus 2 into y plus 1 bracket square equal to 0. या इक्वेशनचे दोन लाईन्स सेपरेट काढायचा प्रश्न आहे. नाउ सोल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. गिवन equation is x minus 2 bracket square minus 3 into x minus 2 into y plus 1 plus 2 into y plus 1 bracket square equal to 0. Now, the given equation can be written in the standard form of the homogeneous equation of second degree. Then, here put x minus 2 equal to capital X and y plus 1 equal to capital Y. याच्यामध्ये जर आपण x minus 2 ला capital X मानलं आणि y plus 1 ला जर capital Y मानलं, then the given equation can be written as capital X square minus 3 into capital X into capital Y plus 2 capital Y bracket square equal to 0. Then x square minus twice x into y minus capital X into y plus 2y square equal to 0. Minus 3xy can be written as minus 2xy minus xy. Factorize the term minus 3xy into two terms, which sum is minus 3xy and the product is 2x square y square. Now, taking capital X common in the first and second term, we get capital X into bracket x minus twice y. Also taking minus y common in the third and fourth term, we get minus y into bracket x minus 2y equal to 2. Again taking common x minus 2y factor, we get x minus 2y in the first factor and x minus y in the second factor. Therefore, capital X minus 2y equal to 0 and capital X minus capital Y equal to 0. But the value of capital X is small x minus 2 and the value of capital Y is small y plus 1. Then x minus 2 minus 2 into bracket y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 minus the value of y is y plus 1 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 2 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, small x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, first line, and x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, second line, which are the two required separate lines represented by the given equation x minus 2 bracket square minus 3 into x minus 2 into y plus 1 plus 2 into y plus 1 bracket square equal to 0. Now, second problem. Find the values of p and q if the equation 3x square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q equal to 0 represents a perpendicular lines. Now to solve the second problem. Solution of the second problem. Given equation is px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q equal to 0. See, first equation. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of second degree in x and y. By comparing, we get the values are here a equal to p, twice h equal to minus 8, therefore h equal to minus 4, b equal to 3, twice g equal to 14, g equal to 7, twice f equal to 2, f equal to 1, and c equal to q. Now, since the given equation represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Since the given equation represents a pair of perpendicular lines, then a plus b equal to 0 and determinant a h g h b f g f c is equal to 0. Pair of lines are the condition, and perpendicular lines, then the condition is a plus b equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a is p and the value of b is 3. P plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, p equal to minus 3. This is the first required value of p. And determinant, the value of a is p, h is minus 4, g is 7, h minus 4, b 3, f 1, and the value of c is q is equal to 0. Putting the values of p in this determinant, we get, that is, the value of p is minus 3, minus 4, this determinant of order 3, we get the values of Q. That is minus 3 into bracket 3Q minus 1, 3Q minus 1 minus 4 into bracket minus 4Q minus 7 plus 7 into bracket minus 4 minus 21 equal to 0. Here minus 3 into the determinant 3, 1, 1Q, that is 3Q minus 1 minus 4 into bracket minus 4Q minus 7 plus 7 into bracket minus 4 minus 20. Now minus 9Q minus plus 3 minus plus 4 into bracket minus 4Q minus 7 plus 7 into bracket minus 25 equal to 0. Minus 9Q plus 3 minus 16Q minus 28 minus 175 is equal to 0. Minus 9Q minus 16Q minus 25Q, and the sum of minus 3 plus 3 minus 28 minus 175 is minus 200 is equal to 0. Minus 25Q equal to 200. Therefore, Q equal to 200 divided by minus 25, and therefore its division is minus 8. Hence, the value of Q is minus 8. Now, third problem, find the values of P and Q if the equation 2x square minus 8xy plus py square plus 2x plus 2y minus 15 equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines. Now to solve the third problem, solution of the third problem, given equation is 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0, equation number 2. By comparing the equation 1 and 2, we get the values are a equal to 2, twice h equal to 8, therefore h equal to 4, b equal to p, twice G equal to Q, therefore G equal to Q half. Twice F equal to 2, therefore F equal to 1, and C equal to minus 50. Since the given equation represents a pair of parallel lines, then the condition for pair of parallel lines is then HS square minus AB equal to 0. This is the condition for pair of lines. The general equation represents a pair of lines, then HS square minus AB equal to 0. Parallel or coincident lines. And determinant AHG, HBF, GFC is equal to 0. Now by using the first condition, HS square minus AB, putting the values of H in this condition, we get 4 bracket square minus A 2, and the value of B is P equal to 0. Therefore 16 minus twice P equal to 0. Therefore twice P equal to 16. Therefore P equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Hence the value of P is 8. This is the first value. And determinant A is 2, the value of H is 4, G is Q by 2. H is 4, B, P, F 1, here Q by 2, 1, and the value of C is minus 15 is equal to 0. Value of P, 8 in this determinant, we get determinant 2, 4, Q by 2, 4, 8, 1, Q half 1 minus 15 is equal to 0. Solving the determinant of order 3, we get the values of Q. 2 into bracket 8 into minus 15 minus 120 minus 1 into 1 minus 4 into bracket minus Q by 2 plus Q by 2 into bracket 4 minus Q by 2 into 8, 4Q is equal to 0. आता कसं सोडवायचं आपल्याला इथलं 2 घ्यायचं 2 इंटू ब्रॅकेट याच्या खालच्या एलिमेंट सोडून द्यायचे. राहिले 4 एलिमेंट डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 मध्ये मांडला सगळे करायचे. याचा गुणाकार वजा याचा गुणाकार वजा 4 गुणिले कंसामध्ये याचा गुणाकार वजा याचा गुणाकार प्लस Q by 2 into bracket 4 minus 8 into Q by 2 that is minus 4q equal to 0. 2 into minus 121 minus 5 get plus 240 minus plus twice q plus q by 2 into 4 twice q and q by 2 minus 4q, the product of q by 2 and 4q minus 2q square equal to 0. Minus 242 plus 240 plus 4q minus 2q square equal to 0. Minus 242 plus 240 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4q minus 2q square equal to 0. That is minus 2q square plus 4q minus 2 equal to 0. That is, dividing on both sides by minus 2, we get q square minus twice q plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, q minus 1 bracket square equal to 0. This is the expansion of q minus 1 bracket square, and therefore q minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, q equal to 1. This is the solution of the lines represented by parallel lines represented by the equation. We get the values of p is 8 and q equal to 1. And now to solve the fourth problem, find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the lines represented by the equation x square minus y square minus twice x plus 1 equal to 0. Given equation is x square minus y square minus twice x plus 1 equal to 0. To find the point of intersection between the lines represented by this equation. हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन लाइन दाखवतं त्याचा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन काढायचा. Now, the given equation can be written as x square plus 0 into xy minus y square minus twice x plus 0 into y plus 1 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus twice hxy plus dy square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. By comparing, we get the values are a equal to 1, twice h equal to 0, h equal to 0, b equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 1, twice g equal to minus 2, therefore g equal to minus 1. twice f equal to 0, therefore f equal to 0 and c equal to 1. We know that the coordinates of the point of intersection represented by the given lines are, we know that the point of intersection, the coordinates of the points of intersection are P equal to x comma y is equal to the coordinates of the point of intersection whose x coordinates are, and x coordinates is hf minus bg upon ab minus h square and gh minus af upon ab minus h square. हे सूत्र वापरून मला त्याचा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन काढता येते. Therefore P equal the value of h is 0 into f, the value of f is 0 minus b minus 1 into g minus 1 in the denominator ab a1 b minus 1 minus 0 square and y coordinate g equal to minus 1 in h 0 minus 1 into the value of f 0 in the denominator ab 1 into 1 minus 0 square hf minus bg upon ab minus h square gh minus a g value of g is minus 1 gh 0 minus af 1 into f 0. Therefore p equal 0 minus minus plus 1 in the denominator minus 1 minus 0 minus 0 upon 1 minus 0. Therefore P equal minus 1 upon minus 1 comma 0 upon minus 1. Therefore P equal to 1 comma 0. This is the coordinates of this is the point of intersection of the lines represented by the given equation.